Hello friends, in this video you will see the working of print function. For this I am using Python IDLE, and in script mode we will see the use of print function. Print function is used to print a message to the screen. It can be string or any other object, but the object will be converted into a string before printed. For example, if you want to display any message or print something, so use print function, and between these parentheses type your message, like this. So when you run this program using F5, your source must be saved, so click on OK, save your file, click on save. So it will display your message, welcome in Python. You can print more than one object using comma or separator. Welcome in Python, ideally the second string. Run it again. So here you can see welcome in Python IDLE. You can use separator as an optional argument, as for example, the first string is hello, next is Python, next is SEP for separator. It is an optional argument, so you can use any special character here. So you can see the separator between these two words. You can also use single quotes or triple quotes with the messages. Python supports single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes, so you can use single quotes also. You can use triple quotes. So it will support single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. If you want to display your message, for example, welcome in Python, this is my message. Now I want to break this line into next line. So in first line it will display welcome, and in second line it will display in Python. So for this I am using here /n. /n is the escape sequence which is used to break the line or for next line when you run this program. So you can see the difference. It will first print the welcome, and /n is used to break the line, and in the next line it will display in Python. So that's it, all about print function. In the next video we will see how we can use input function and working with the string. Thank you.